Hi friends and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shadi and it's so nice of you to join us today. Now friends, let's get started by singing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our wonderful friends that are watching. Do we know what day of the week it is today? Yes, it's Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long, all day long. Yes, my friends, it's Monday. So let's sing our 7-day song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, friends. And do we know the month of the year that we are in? Well, we said goodbye to September and now we are in the month of October. Yes, October. Can we say the months of the year? The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, can we spell our day of the week and the month of the year? Let's spell Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Now let's spell our month of the year, October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Good job, friends. Now let's find out about our number of the day today. Our number of the day today is the number 5. Yes, like the 5 fingers on one hand. Let's count to the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, friends. Now, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's all sing our weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, friends, where Auntie is right now, it's a cloudy day, but the birds are still chirping in the trees anyway. It's a wonderful day. How about you, friends? What's the weather like where you are? You can go and take a look out the window. Wonderful. Now, let's find out about the letter of the day for today. Take a look, friends. Our letter of the day is the letter H. H for house. H for hamburger. Doesn't that make you feel hungry? Yes, and H for hungry. H. Wonderful. And that was our letter of the day for today. Now, let's find out about our color of the day for today. The color of the day today, my friends, is the color yellow. Yes, yellow like the sun in the sky right here. Yellow. Yellow is a beautiful color. Now, let's find out about the shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day today is a square. What do we know about squares? Well, squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Yes, so if you look carefully at a square, they're all the same size all around. That makes a square. And of course, we can find squares if we look around us. Isn't that right, friends? So, let's go on and talk about our wonderful lesson for today. Now, for this week, we are going to be talking about one of our 5 senses, our sense of hearing. Our sense of hearing helps us hear what's going on around us. If it's a loud sound, a quiet sound, it can be something fun, it can be something scary. Our ears help us to know what's going on around us. So today we are going to listen to some wonderful sounds. We're going to play a game called Listen and Tell. What are you going to do? You're going to listen and then you're going to tell me what sound you hear. Are you ready, friends? Listen carefully and follow along with the lesson for today. For today's lesson, friends, let's play Listen and Tell. What we're going to do is listen carefully to the sounds you hear. Then you're going to tell me what animal sound you hear. Ready? Let's listen. What animal is this? That's right, it's a cat. What about this animal? Yes, it's a pig. Listen to the next one. Yes, it's a cow. What about this animal? Ooh. Yes, it's a lion. Listen to this animal. Yes, it's a chicken. What about this one? Yes, a wolf. And let's listen to the last animal for today. Yes, it's a goat. Those were our animals for today and our sounds. Join us next time where we will find some more sounds that we can identify. Hope you had fun, friends. Alright, friends, I hope you had lots of fun identifying our sounds for today in our Listen and Tell game. How many did you get? Did you get them all right?